me koro and you dey hear me whine. I be say you tanda gidigba on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia Max UHF 57 and Wazobia TV on top channel 98 for GoTV cable. I go seize this opportunity to say happy new month and welcome to the new week to everybody when they watch us on top of as it dey hot. Our prayer and I say this new month when we enter so and the rest of the year, enemies of this our country, any plan when they get to make this country turn upside down, it no go succeed. And everything when government they do and the people will continue to they move this our country forward. Every weekday from 10 to 11 na Christmas, sake of say all of the topic when they come out smoke inside Nigeria political boxing ring, we go carry them, drop them as the thing they hot, give you license to chook mouth inside, talk them the way anything be you for body, so that those when they lead this country go do the right thing to move our country forward. My name na Ezugo Chokwode, and as usual I know they alone inside studio. I deal with my brother when Sabu and I stay concerning politics matter as dey hot.
Good morning, our beautiful viewers. Yes, another month don't come now the month where we go carry that where we carry that Ogbonge program as the hot coming away. That political program way as usual with the information now with the different activities where they happen for Obodo Nigeria. For today's own, we get enough gist for enough news. That is a lot of things play out during the weekend, and now we go do it. We go sunshine out with certain. We as Nigerians, we say we want the best for ourselves. We as Nigerians, we say we want to make our country go make it move forward. We go do it. We go look into the matter and then do it in dissect, talk about it, and so that at least the government where they serve us, the government where they represent us, go hear what they talk. My name never still change. My name now Nkubi. And this now as it dey hot.
As you know, every Monday with a tear nylon come out on top of all of the action to the way happen for Obodo Nigeria inside the weekend. Why? On Friday we go lock shop, carry key go, but our ear go still dey ground. All of the action to the way happen, we go carry and come serve them to now. I go start with our first story. This one get to do with what happened on the 21st of June 2014 inside Ekiti State. For inside Nigerian political discussion, it don't come to wetin people they call Ekiti Gate. I go break them down. Everybody remember say on the 21st of June 2014, say election happened inside Ekiti State, and the person when we say he sit down for there as governor Kayode Fayemi, he lose to Ayodele Peter Fayoshe. A lot of things don't come out since after that case, even though Oga Kayode Fayemi congratulate Ayodele Peter Fayoshe, say, my brother, you win this election, we can move our state forward. The one when we say can shock plenty people. Now the breaking news will come out on Sunday. Before secretary of the PDP inside Ekiti State, and somebody when we say now him be chairman of the Security and Intelligence Committee of Ayodele Fayoshe campaign organization. That time when they try campaign, Oga Temitope Aluko, he don't come out and talk say that election when they do for inside Ekiti State, say no be election at all. Say na coup d'etat. I go talk him again. He say na coup d'etat. What if it coup d'etat? Coup d'etat means say na something when we say they do from backyard, then do am wuru, then throw monkey hand, baboon hand, and chimpanzee hand inside the arrangement. He call open can of worms. He talk say the former president Goodluck Ebele Jonathan say he oversee the sharing of money when reach $37 million. No water, but I go clear my throat. $37 million. Say by fire by force, they must win Ekiti and they must win Osun State. But the talk person of the Ekiti State governor, Lere Olayinka, don't reply, say, that man, Temitope Aluko, make nobody take him serious. He even talk, say, if nobody saying they very, very far from where the man dey. If you just clean the back of your hand, use and touch the man neck, say, be like, say, people when they talk like this, is either two things, say they chop okra, wait till they draw, or they get malaria. Plenty Nigerians don't come and come talk, say, the way when this thing they go, say, our politicians, they be like, say, many of them, they're very, very desperate to win election and to dey for power. They come advise Nigerians to shine their eyes so that those, when we say, they really get the interest of Nigerians for mind, now we go give our vote to lead this our country forward. We go fold our arms, they watch, they see where this story go lead to. Ekiti Gate.
Yes, from Ekiti Gate matter, we can carry enter that is Borno State, where we don't hear say these Jaguda people again, they say they don't strike, and this time around they strike for one community they call Dalori, you know they far from the capital will be Meduguri, and they also from where to they you know also they far from the IDP camp where they set off for that place, and we hear say the casualties where this thing really carry, say plenty somehow, say at least people die about rigid, at least the people will die plenty small, and but in the same vein, Oga Muhammad Buhari, through his spokesperson, will be Oga Garba Shehu, come and talk, say, look, say all this gragra, all these people, they do gragra for nothing. I want to say, waiting, I want to say the military, they only defeat them. So they only look for ways to take do it. They don't get confused already. It's now the confusion state. Now they do ensure say they do it in they carry out their jaguda badness by force by fire. In the same way, we come here say the constitution say, look, say the fight against Boko Haram. Say it has come, they go defeat her completely. And make every Nigerian relax. Say Mr. President can also sympathize with the people who lose with their family members, their children, everybody. On top of this matter, say, look, no worry, this fight will don't start. When they see the result, I will go bring her to an end. Now, what happened over the weekend for Dalori be that?
From the sad incident when happened for inside Dalori, we go enter one new revelation where we say our before president, good luck, Ebele Jonathan, in drop. I go speak French, make everybody slow down to hear me. For inside the dinner, when they organize for them for Cercle Diplomatique, for inside Geneva, for Switzerland, he come out give the major reason why he be say, after the election, even before they declare the result, final, he called President Muhammadu Buhari to tell him, say, congratulations, my brother. Now you win this election. He break him down, say, he don't always they talk him right from time. Say, he they very, very fortunate for inside the politics waka, when he waka. Sake of say, as he just they enter politics, he become deputy governor. From deputy governor, he become governor. From governor, he become vice president. From vice president, he become president. He talks say this slow and steady rise. Now for person when they're very, very blessed and lucky, he talks say for that one, in thank God. He can continue the discussion, say, even before they announce the final result, from waiting he don't see, and from the kind things when we say Nigeria don't already enter into, saying they already decide, say, no blood of any Nigerian worth in own ambition, and say, therefore, anyhow when the election take be, he go accept and the way the thing be. He can talk, say, from the feelers when they receive, he don't they very, very clear, say, President Muhammadu Buhari, now they win the election. Say, 101 things they in mind. In mind just they read like computer, they read like calculator. He can decide, say no. From waiting in don't see already, now to make that call to President Muhammadu Buhari to congratulate him so that everybody mind go come down. A lot of Nigerians don't they talk and say, our before President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan said na hero. And then talk say, if you check how some leaders for Africa they do, when we say once they enter inside government, they go carry glue, gum their bomb on top of the chair. If they tell them say stand up, they go say no, it is my personal chair, I want to sit here. But say our president look say, Nigeria first before my personal ambition. Other people go talk say yes, what he talk na true. But if you lose election, what do you see there they do? We appreciate our before president for that statesman action when in carry. And we they talk say all other politicians must learn say if you lose election, nothing you go there they do. Finish.
Yes, from there we could enter Ethiopia. Where we hear one statement where they release say fight against corruption, so now judiciary they do it. Now my major headache. Who they talk this on? Now the president when he meet through his spokesperson, that is Femi Adesina, when he meet with some Nigerians where they live for that place, say for Ethiopia, and they talk on the at least on the rub minds. Yeah, they say look. The fight against corruption for Nigeria, say now collective team, we will need to do it in join hands together and sure say we fight them. And because of say we don't get new president, because of say we don't get new leader, and that's something we will really need to tackle. But somehow, just like say, even with our effort, just like say judiciary on their own part, no they do it, no they give that level of support. On to say the way they take handle different judiciary matter on top of corruption cases. You can't say, but say the president. Don't promise. So that is the president said, don't even talk to look. Say, in meeting with them and the judiciary, that is the Minister of Justice, say they're going to ensure they structure things. We're going to show it. We're going to make sure, say, at least corruption matter, say they do it, then tackle them the way they're supposed to tackle them, so that at least Nigerians go get rest of mind and say, yes, indeed, and truly, when I mean Nigerians where they live home and abroad, they will rest assured say yes, truly, will they see the result of the fight against corruption. I waiting Oga President talk with this through his spokesperson Femi Adesina for Ethiopia this Sunday we just passed.
We dey always dey talk am say if we see better thing, e go dey very, very good, make we celebrate. You get some kind of people when we say, now only things when we say, it be like say they cause K-leg inside Nigeria, and then they talk about. But we go, they talk and say, if we see good thing for inside this our country, we go make noise, make everybody hear. And this one, now something when we say, we supposed to tell ourselves congratulations, because it shows say, Nigerians then sabi book, Nigerians then get sense, and all of the ideas what they put into our banking sector, especially, say the thing on the yield dividend, that is to say, it don't they bring out better results. The reason why we talk this one is because of say, it gets one old don't get people when we say their work. Now to chook eye inside how banks, then they do their operation inside Obodo, Nigeria. And now UK based, that is the day base for the United Kingdom, then they call them the Bankers Magazine. They don't come out and talk say, out of all the banks when they the whole world, they carry results, give 1 to 500. Out of these 500, 4 of Nigeria banks enter inside this 1 to 500. The reason why would they make noise now because of say banks plenty for inside this world. All the countries when they the world, banks too full. And if we get banks when they represent for the top 500, it means that we they do things when we say we supposed to continue them, make we they see them. And these banks are the First Bank of Nigeria Limited. And talk say this bank for the 5th consecutive year for Nigeria. And they always they carry first for inside that list. We also get the Guaranteed Trust Bank. We get Zenith Bank and we get the United Bank of Africa. These 4 banks only for the top 500 banks for inside this whole world. What we call the talk, we say, make it not just be for our banks, the thing they reflect. Make it also reflect our economy. Make it also see for the lives of every Nigerian. It go there good if we count the top 500 countries or 500 people. When we say things they better for, and Nigeria go enter inside. Make we not always they carry first for bad things, or they carry last for things when we say they're very good. All of these stories when we don't carry come, 5 of them sizzling hot. I go speak English, sizzling hot. We go drop them now, throw our phone lines open, so that sharply you go call to chook mouth for inside this matter, talk up the way when the team be you for inside your body as it hot.
A lot of interesting stories, Chukwudi. We get the Ekiti Gate matter. We get waiting Oga Presido talk for Addis Ababa. We get the Boko Haram matter. We also get this way also talk now. That is for the 500 banks we go say yes. They fit give them thumbs up. 4 of Nigerian banks they among. Yes, this now good news, no doubt. And I also believe say in the same way, make them do it in, make we see consistency, make we see results for especially this last news where you give, make we see consistency for the distance. So that even if not 320, they say First Bank carry this time around, at least in the next this we will see something where they well above that. But Chukwudi, may we bring them down to what happened for Ekiti State. We don't see the allegation. We don't also see the former secretary of this in PDP for Ekiti State come also talk. So Chukwudi, in your own mind, for me, my own opinion about matters they different. For your own mind, what will be your own general assessment about this thing?
Talk your own mind first before I talk my own.
No, because
you know
why I said
don't tell me to say anything. No, use my own, form your own. Talk your own, me and talk my own.
You know why?
No, ask me any why.
No, do you know why?
Talk your own, me and talk my own.
You need to know why.
I don't want to know why.
You need to know why.
It's my knowing why.
Because
I don't want to know.
I know.
Don't tell me any why.
When this election
talk your own, make we hear.
When this election
talk your own, make we hear.
Why they cry out
talk
here?
Your own,
make Nigerians hear my voice say, hey, see allegation. Now you will be Chukwudi. Come on, come stand.
Thank you very much. Say you call them allegation. Who could be? Talk your own talk here now. Make I fire you back.
And what if there are elements of truth to what they talk?
What if there are not even what if for this matter? Who could be? If you're ready to discuss this discussion, drop them down. Make you they talk this in the way anything they ought.
No. No. We go first. We go where? We go check the
What do you want?
We go check whether truth there.
What do you want?
Also check whether element of light.
Say for inside this country now the only country when they the whole world where we say politicians, irrespective of political divide, they spend money like say. They spend money like say money won't go out of fashion because you always deny.
No, thank God say you always deny. Thank God say you talk like
because you always deny.
In the same way you agree with what I try talk.
I have always stood on the part of the Nigerian people. I have always stood on the part of justice, fairness, equity, honesty, integrity. Now me be the only person when say if I come this show, I just speak from one side of my mouth. You are always speaking from two sides of your mouth.
See, if
you are always speaking from two sides of your mouth.
If not because of say we dey on this platform, I for call you big thief.
People call me wetin?
Big thief.
You don't already talk am. Now if dey your mind.
No, I talk say if to say
hold it. Oga Bobby dey call us.
Hold it.
Oga Bobby dey call you are a bigger thief.
Oga Bobby, good morning.
Hello.
Gary.
Oga Bobby, good morning, sir.
Good morning. I bet we're not to not fight this morning.
No, who could be? He want to attack me. He want to attack me.
Yes,
respect.
I know. If they attack you, you they attack them.
Thank
you
you.
they accuse them, me they accuse you.
Thank you.
It's good. That is the progress of Nigeria. That would they see be that, you know. So, but what I want to talk to say now the Ekiti own, you know, where they make on to the fight. So now I want to talk about, you know, for that guy to come out and say the ring Ekiti state election, it is sweet in a way because every Nigerian knows say the ring Ekiti state election, you know. But the way they do Mago, that military man will record the whole thing. Good luck they there, so they know you pursue the case. I mean, do their own in their own conny way, so the matter die. Me and you, Shukudi, you know, say yes, say that Ekiti state election, they ring up. So nobody for Nigeria will not know. Maybe Ekiti people don't know, but other Nigerians know say they ring Ekiti state election. You know, so it's for now for if people, journalists and all that, to really go into the matter and do investigation because this is an allegation when this guy carried counsel. So journalists and EFCC and all the rest, to INEX, to even shoot their eye professor this matter and go into it and look to the guy comments. And look, investigate the whole matter, you know. You understand me now? So that is how I will go. We don't need to fight over them, accuse this one, accuse that one. Somebody carry allegation corner. It's like a whistleblower now. So we'll see where the whistle when they blow now. And where go carry us go.
Very true.
To know about the matter. So
Very
that is
true.
my contribution for the
Oga Bobby, thank you very much for this your important contribution. And we go reiterate what you talk. It is very, very important say if we see things when we say they bad for our country, make we come out, make we dey talk am so that good things go happen afterwards. And the reason why we dey talk this one is because of say make other bad things no dey happen and make people know they feel say bad thing and normal thing when go dey happen for inside our society. One thing dey very, very evident from when we don dey conduct elections for this country going as far back as 1964, 1960, 1979, 1983. A lot of people dey very, very desperate for position of power and they go do anything, spend money, use all the power to get to enter inside there. Make we collect this call from Oga Chinonso. Oga Chinonso, they call us from Lagos before we continue our discussion. Oga Chinonso, welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning, Chinonso.
We dey greet you, Oga Chinonso. Which side for Lagos you dey call us from?
Ikoyi.
Okay, we dey hear you, Oga Chinonso.
I like on a program.
Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, I just want to put out in the Ekiti Gate
Feel free.
and the Borno State attack.
Okay.
I don't believe this man that just come here to just spoil Kayo
Fayose. Why you no believe am?
You know within the time for this matter is when they do the election, come out to tell Nigerians that they are collecting money from Jonathan.
But bear in mind, say Chinonso, this person we will talk about a PDP man, no.
He himself, they're supposed to arrest him because he himself don't do bad things. You would be supposed to know this man. He want to collect a post there and they did not give it to him. That's why he's broadcasting them, spoiling Fayose. It's not good, huh? Interest. Then he wants to spoil the governor.
So Oga Chinonso, what you dey talk now be say for you no believe say this thing happen at all.
Even though it happened, no, it don't have to do it about if they have come out for the first time and tell Nigerians this is what is happening, then now.
Okay, Chinonso, we don't hear you. Thank you very much for that contribution. Chukwudi, if you also look at, Chinonso bring am from another different angle. But the major thing is say, there probably must have been a fallout somewhere. We go make this man.
No, the man be even talk and say, he be even talk and clearly say, he supposed to become chief of staff. But as they don't give him chief of staff, so, and say Oga Ayodele Fayose don't derail from the Ekiti mandate or the project,
so for that reason,
come out after 2 years.
In come they make all these.
After 2 years.
Okay. We got Oga Sunday. Oga Sunday, they call us from Lagos. Good morning, Oga Sunday. Where for Lagos they call us from? Sunday, good morning. Sunday, you there? If you say Sunday line no to connect, I beg Sunday try call us back. Okay, if now in reason be that, which means what did they say? Make where the anti-corruption this way they involve and where the country do it, pick them up from there. Because somebody don't come and talk. You don't expect the person who come and come talk, make it they work out freely. Make them do it, make them investigate the matter. Also investigate the money really. Also investigate enter the election itself. Waiting play out for the election. Because before now, don't they hear somehow some faint information about how the election take play out. Okay, somebody from the same inner caucus don't come and talk, say you look, see waiting now, waiting play out. Oh, in this way, at least make the judiciary do it in enter. I mean, EFCC, make them investigate the matter so to go know what would they really face. We get Kenneth. Kenneth, they call us from Ikorodu. Good morning, Kenneth. Kenneth, good morning.
Now well done.
Good morning. Yeah,
Good
we hear
morning,
you.
Kenneth.
I make una no fight again over Ekiti saga.
Okay.
Because what thing happen for Ekiti State, we say no be new thing. We know.
Okay.
You understand? We know all the shenanigans. You know, both people say shenanigans, all the mago way PDP and their people do for all the election for Nigeria. But the truth be say, with time, everything will come out. So the man will come talk, they say, make we no condemn him. Now truth in talk. And now
No,
something we already know.
Kenneth, we understand now truth. Yes, which of course they laudable. But it is say this man that give out this post, this truth for no come out. Should we know that one?
Exactly.
The same way, now the country they play out for the caucus, for the district coverage of our government officials, say they go play games among themselves because I say all of them be one. They go do it. Nobody go hear what happen.
Now,
you understand?
We go thank God say Katakata don't boss for their means.
Okay.
The truth doesn't come out now. So we know they there when they hold the meeting, plan all the magomago. We don't hear everything will happen. So make we thank God because with time, other people too go come out, talk what happen where we don't know before.
Okay.
Very true.
So now well done.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for this your important contribution. And one of our Ogbonge visitors, Oga Gbola, they always they talk and say, when two politicians begin a quarrel, and the person when we say go enjoy out of all the quarrel, now the Nigerian, the ordinary Nigerian, sake of say, the things when we say two of them talk when they're inside bedroom, and when they come out for inside sitting room, they go talk and everybody go here. Now the time for our ear to stand up and make we dey very, very wise. Do the right thing so that these mistakes won't happen before, go happen again. Oga Francis, they call us all the way from Oworoshoki. Francis, welcome to Aside Hot.
Good morning, Francis.
Good morning. Good morning, Chukwode.
I greet you, Oga Francis.
Okay. You see, my own view about this, what you people are talking.
Mm-hmm.
So, like that man, where they talk, say, file sure do this, but you should not do this. See, we in Nigeria, must be very, very careful. Not when we plan if we know work before we come out to talk rubbish. Any that man is involved in that money if there is something like that. Because can it be that they give him that
position
for whatever? He no go talk anything. And all this is where they turn out because he fell out. And then now he has no other place to go than to come and make noise. Because before you know it, we see him trying to go into APC because everybody wants to go to APC because Buhari is a winner now.
Oga Francis, thank you very much.
I don't feel about that.
Oga Francis, thank you very much for this your important contribution. And this one when you don't talk, don't open new gist for inside this matter. This one get to do with about the message and the messenger. Now, Oga Tokpe Aluko na person when we say him and Ayodele Fayose from wetin he talk. Na person when we say all of them they together and they do things. But we go quickly rush go this break. When we go this break, come back, we'll continue our discussion as it get to do with all of the action to wey happen for Nigeria this weekend wey pass. So no go anywhere. Now still as it dey hot. We dey come back.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.